Good afternoon, all of you. We have already finished second chapter of geography. Today we are going to discuss the question answers. If you have done the question answer in your notebook, then please take the photograph of your question answer and send it to in our WhatsApp group. Now we are again going to discuss the question answer. So the first question is here on the page number 20. Which are two main climatic factors responsible for the soil formation? The answer of this question is on the page number 11. You have to just open the page number 11 in your note in your book. I am saying this page according to the book. The pages which I am saying is not according to this PDF file. You are seeing here the 7th number or 6th number, so it is not important. So the two major factors, climatic factor responsible for the soil formation is rainfall and humus formation. So you have to just write down the climate, temperature, rainfall influence, rate of weathering and humus formations are the factors which are responsible for the soil formation. Now the second question. Second question is, write any two reasons for land degradation today. The land degradation refers to the quality of land which is declining day by day. The two main reasons for land degradation today is you have to go on the page number 8. Page number 8, and from the last paragraph, last 4 lines, land degradation. That's page number 8. Page number 8. Topic land use. See, in this topic, this is on the page number 8 of your book, and the answer is you can see these lines on the here. Land degradation, landslide, soil erosion, desertification are the main threats to the environment because of the expansion of agriculture and constructional activities. So this is the answer for the second question, answer 2. Okay, now we are going for a third answer. What is question number 3? Question number 3 is why land considered as an important resource? Land considered as the important resource. Question number 3. Why land is considered as an important resource? Land is considered as an important resource because it is on a land on which we live. The houses are built on the land. So on this 8th page number 8, here you have to start from this land use. Just wait. Yes, from here. This is answer 3rd. From here you have to start and till the industries up to here. This answer will start from here and it will end up to here, up to industries. Land is used for different purposes such as forest, agriculture, forestry, mining, build houses, roads, setting up of industries. Up to this is the answer number 3rd. Now we are going to discuss the question number 4. Question number 4, name any two steps that government has taken to conserve plants and animals. So what are the some important measures taken by the government for the conservation of plants and animal? For this you have to go to the page number 19. Page number 19. You have to see this answer is from this paragraph, but you have to select the answer from here. The answer will be going to start from awareness. This awareness programs like social forestry and One Mahotsav should encourage at the regional and community level. Up to this, you have to write it in two parts. One is starting from here, and the second one is last line of this paragraph. In India, killing lions, tigers, great deeds, great Indian bustards, and peacock is illegal. So those are the two important measures taken by our government to stop the to conserve the land as to conserve the animals and the vegetation, mainly it is a wildlife. Okay, so after this, the question number 5th, suggest any 3 ways to conserve the water. Suggest any 3 ways to conserve the water. Conserve the water. The 3 ways to conserve the water, the answer is on the page number 15. So you have to go on the page number 15 of your book. This is the page number 15 on your book, and here it is the answer is going to start from the starting of this paragraph. I am going to highlight the answer. The forest and other vegetation cover slow surface runoff and replenish the water. Water harvesting is another method to save the surface runoff. The canals for irrigating fields should be properly lined to minimize losses by water seepage, sprinkler system. So here the this whole paragraph, just wait, yeah, this whole paragraph starting from the forest, so you should cut this line, this will not discount. Forest and other vegetation cover slow. This whole paragraph is the answer number 5th. This comprises of 3 measures which should be taken to conserve the water. Okay, and if it's possible for you to write down the answer in the points, that will be better for us. Okay, this is the number 5th. Now here take the correct answer. So the first one, which of the following is not a factor of soil formation? The answer is B, soil texture. This one, soil texture is the answer, B. Which one of the following method, second question, which one of the following method is most appropriate to check soil erosion of steep slopes? See, there are the steep slopes in the mountain area, so mulching method in which the straws are put to stop the water is the best method for it. And third one, this question, which one of the following is not a favor of the conservation of nature? The switch of the bulb when not in use, this is how we can save electricity. So this is the one of the favorable factor for conserve nature. close the tap immediately after using. This is also we should use the water as per our requirement. Dispose polybags after shopping. Disposing polybags after shopping, this is also the wrong method. First of all, we should not use the polythenes, and if you are using a polythene, then keep it for another use. So the answer is C, dispose polybags after shopping. Now the match the following. So what I want that you should write down the answer as here. Land use, the answer is C. The humus, the answer is D. Okay. Rock dams, the answer is A. Biosphere, the answer is B. So these are the answer, and the fifth one, contour plugging. This is just given to confuse you, so don't be confused. The answer is like this: C, D, A, B. These are the answer for this. Now true or false. True or false, we are running short of time, so here also I am not going to discuss much more, but I am going to tell you the answer. Ganga Brahmaputra plain of the India is an overpopulated region. Yes, this is true, as I have discussed with you. Wherever there is a water, there will be a fertile land, and in the fertile land there will be lots of crop and agriculture products. So industries will also be there. So plants and agriculture activities will be there. So that area will be definitely highly populated. Second one, water availability. So the answer is true. The second one, water availability per person in India is declining. Yes, we are approximately 135 crores of Indians, and the drinking water facility is declining day by day. The second one is also true. Third one, rows of trees planted in the coastal areas to check the wind movement is called intercropping. No, the intercropping is not like that. So this is the false. Intercropping is you are growing one and another type of crops as per the season. The second last one, human interface and changes of climate can maintain the ecosystem. So yes, this is true. If the human are going to interface in the positive way, like growing trees, conserving water and other natural resources, we are going to maintain the ecosystem. And the activities, this is a bit hard, and it's not necessary for you to do the activity part. Just wait. So this is how we have finished the question answer sessions of today. Do this question answer in your notebook and take the picture of that question answer and send it to in our group. And you are having almost 1 or 2 days to complete this. From next day we are going to start third chapter. If you have a time, please go and read the third chapter first up to third chapter first 4 or 5 pages, which we are going to complete in our next classes. And also those students who haven't took the books from the school, they can come and collect the books. So I hope you all have enjoyed this session. If you still have some queries related to this chapter, you can WhatsApp me. Thank you. Have a nice day. This is a corona time, so please take a very good care of yourself. Goodbye. All the best to all of you.